guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So we are officially at 5 months. It's been 5 months with these starter locks. And this is how they are looking. So I just want to let you guys know, it's looking like it has like a little bit of shape to it because I just took out the 2-strand twist, the passion twist that I had. I'm gonna link that video up here for you guys, but I just took that out, so that's why it has like a little bit of shape and my retwist is still kind of fresh. All right, so first of all, I know you see my little hang time. I think it's progressing along pretty good. Like I told you guys before, I'm really not seeing as much shrinkage as I saw on my first set. Maybe because this set was a little bit longer. I don't know, but I'm really not seeing shrinkage as yet. Like I saw a little bit, but like I really feel like it's really not a lot. It's really not a lot. And yeah, I'm kind of like, what are you doing? Where you at? Are you coming? Because she was kind of here, but now I'm kind of like, girl, what's going on? And also the locks themselves, they're kind of like at the stage where it's kind of like poofy. I don't know if you guys could see this really well, but this is, of course, a twist, you know, doing what it does. So the new growth is pretty good and it's locking up. And then the rest of it is just doing this little poofiness. And of course, the ends are still pretty thin because, you know, I combed my locks out. So that's pretty much still here. That's honestly pretty much it. I really feel like everything is going really smooth. It is locking up how it's supposed to. And like I said last time, I want to say it's budding, but at the same time, is it budding? I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna say it's bunching because there are parts like right here where you can see, you know, like how thick this one area is. But other than that, that's pretty much it. And the back ones that I was watching out for, this one in the back here, this is pretty much locked. Like the entirety of the lock is, I can't even feel the twist or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that that one definitely is locked. This one towards the end, I can kind of feel the twist and where it was, but for sure this one, like, that's a lock. There's no twist, no nothing. Everything is pretty much locked up. And I love that. And then the problem areas that I always check for, they are still looking pretty good. I'm really trying to like not touch them too much, not manipulate it too much because I really don't want to go through that whole mess again. But so far, I want to say this size is okay with me. I don't think it's gotten any thinner. I think it's pretty much stayed the same. And then the shorter side is the same thing. Yeah, I think it's just staying, you know, like it's not getting any thinner. It's not getting thicker, but it's also not getting any thinner, which is okay with me because I just don't want it to get thin. Like I really just don't want that. And then moisturizing, I've been on top of that. Definitely spraying my hair. I sprayed right before this video actually. So that's probably why my hang time is a little extra. But yeah, I've been on top of my water, and I usually put a little bit of essential oils in my water so it can have like a little scent to it. And then the oiling, like I always say, I'm not really on top of that one that much, but definitely the water. I have been watering my scalp and my hair because I really want to make sure I'm on top of my moisturizing routine, because I really feel like that also plays a role into my lock and how it's progressing and how it's looking, because I really feel like this is 5 months, but it's looking like it's a lot more than 5 months. And I really feel like a good chunk of how good my locks are looking is because I've been moisturizing. I've been on top of my moisturizing routine. So I'm definitely going to say that. And then in terms of different styles, I've been trying to branch out a little bit and try more styles. But at the same time, I don't want to do too much. So I definitely think I'm going to try another crochet style, but you know, I'm just gonna like take it step by step. And like I said, like I don't want to, you know, like do too much to it to where I thin it out or whatever. Like I'm not trying to go through all that mess again. Negative. So this retwist that I did here, like I said, I already have the video for that one, and that was 2 months after my very first retwist, which was in April. So I'm trying to do it to where I do my retwist every 2 months, because I really don't want to you know, thin out my locks. And honestly, I'm doing 2 months mostly because when I do like a little bit more, then like my hair just gets all tangled and I gotta pull it. I'm tender-headed and I don't have time for all of that. So 2 months max is really what I can pull. Maybe like when my locks get more mature, I could probably like hold off for a little bit longer. But for now, you know, 2 months is what I'm doing. And, you know, I think it's looking pretty good. Like this retwist, I think was a success because, you know, I just did like my regular lock twist that I always do. And, you know, that was pretty much it. So that's pretty much it for this update. It's just, you know, the locks are doing their thing. I'm definitely seeing some growth. And of course, this little bunching situation going on, we're not really sure, but we're just gonna let it be and let it do what it usually does, because let her be, right? And like I always say, it is your journey. Do not compare to anybody else. Please have patience. After the first 3 months, guys, the first 3 months is what you need to get rid of. Once you finish with the first 3 months, that is it. So please enjoy your journey, enjoy your hair. It is your hair. Don't compare to anybody else. Make the best of it, please. And that is it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you want to try any styles, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.